Congratulations to candidate number 4. Congratulations po. Ayan, so ang ating next award ay pa-request na po ng pin. SK Kagawads po, pa-request mo ng pin. Please, so pin daw po. Pin po. Ayan, so ang ating next award ay Best in Casual Wear. Ay,
our candidate number 4.
Congratulations, and to be the judge, may we ask the indulgence of our Board of Judges, Sir Jefferson Domingo, and Sir Cecil Flores, and Sir John Ray Carlos Lopez, and also Barangay Kagawa, Sherlinda Olawigan, and okay, next award, partner.
Next award is
Best in Swimsuit. Sino kaya ang Best in Swimsuit? Ang ating Best in Swimsuit. Oh my God! Mukhang tama kayo. Ang
candidate number 4! May we ask the indulgence of the SK chairpersons of Barangay Andabuen, Barangay Malunu, and Barangay Yeban, and Barangay Lukban. Ayun, see. And also the chairman of the Board of Judges. Para kumpletuhin daw, that SK chairman po ng Santiago, Sir Ezekiel. Puro SK, ayan po. Ayan, congratulations po kay candidate number 4. Oh my God. Proceed na tayo sa Miss. It's my pinakamatatas na utang. Ang ating Miss Win ay walang iba kundi si candidate number 15! Congratulations! And to be the smudge, may we ask our Municipal Vice Mayor and also our Police Captain Vince Paragas and Barangay Secretary and Barangay Treasurer and also Barangay Kagawad Edwin Tupidio. Yan, congratulations po kay candidate number 15 and ayun, so that concludes ang ating mga major and minor awards. Congratulations